Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Lovepreet. Now today we will learn phonic sound of alphabets. Let's start. A apple, A ant, A x. B ball, B bus, B bird. C cat, C cap, C cup. D da dog, D da doll, D da duck. Egg, engine, elephant. F for fish, F for fox, F for flower. G girl, G girl, G goat, G gate. H hat, H hen, H house. Igloo, I insect, Indian. J jam, J jug, J joker. K kite, K king, K kangaroo. L lamp, L leaf, L loin. M mango, M moon, M milk. N nest, N nut, N needle. Orange, orange, ox, ostrich. Peppa pan, Peppa pan, Peppa pan, Peppa pen, Peppa pen, Peppa parrot. Q queen, Q quail, Q quill. R rabbit, R rose, R rainbow. S sun, S socks, S soap. Tita top, Tita top, Tita ten, Tita tiger. U up, U up, U under, U umbrella. Viva van, Viva van, Viva vase, Viva violin. W O water, W O water, W O wall, W O well. X X-ray, X Xmas tree. Y york, Y york, Y yellow, Y yozo. Z zebra, Z zebra, Z zip, Z zip, Z zoo, Z zoo. Now let's start sing with me. ABC song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Sugar on a bread. If you don't like, then better go to bed. If you don't like, then better go to bed. Thank you. Have a nice day.